how to recover your Apple ID after SIM swap feature. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check if you're locked out. If that is not the case, you want to simply secure your phone number. You can simply go ahead and contact your courier immediately and resecure your number and reset your voicemail pin. If that is not the case, you can go to iforgot.apple.com or Apple support and simply go ahead and enter your email ID. And once you've done that, start the account recovery process and then follow the steps that are going to be shown on your screen. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and verify using your security questions, trusted device, or recovery email if you still have access. You can also add a trusted phone number, or you could also try to review your account details and security settings, make any necessary changes if needed. If that is not the case, you can try to sign back in with your Apple ID and confirm your new security information, or update your password, two-factor authentication, and set up account recovery if needed. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.